a lot, Shubham, for the warm welcome and most welcome to the curious, enthusiastic learner, Ritika. Well, we have been hearing a lot about your endeavors और आपने ये लॉकडाउन 2020 को भी जाने नहीं दिया. हर दिन आपने इतने सारे काम करे हैं, इतने अच्छे अच्छे करे हैं that it actually pushed me and motivated me to call you here to invite you here today. I'm sure that you will enjoy today's session. Most welcome. First of
Thank you,
all,
Richa.
I came to know कि आपने graduation geography में करा. So what made you do this graduation in geography? Why not some other subject?
Actually, I did my 11th and 12th in science. I was from science background and I had chemistry, physics, math, and biology, everything together. And when I came out of school, I realized that I don't want to go for engineering. I wanted something that where my heart follows, something that I really want to do, and that's when I decided to go for geography because this was one of the subjects that I really liked, and I was very fortunate that my parents helped me with this journey and they've supported me with my subjects. So I had interest in geography, and despite the fact that I had science in my 11th and 12th, I decided to go for geography.
Okay. You were very apt when you said actually हम सबको पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी होता है वो हम सबके लिए और जिनके
Yes,
पास पेरेंट्स होते हैं ना वो बहुत लकी होते हैं isn't it?
yes, it is.
Yes. Well, you are pursuing your MBA. So what are your future plans? MBA क्यों कर रही हो और आगे क्या करना चाहते हो?
I would like to correct. It's not MBA. It's Masters in Public Administration. So I want to be part of administration. I always had a feeling that I can be a good administrator. Uh, I am very good at planning things. So I had this idea in me, and I said, why not? Why not give it a chance? And that's why I'm pursuing Masters in Public
Wow, wow,
Administration.
wow. So tell us three traits of a good administrator. कोई भी तीन qualities.
First, a good administrator is one who is always positive because we have challenges. We are going to face challenges every then and now, but a good administrator is always optimistic about every situation. He knows how to handle every adverse condition. So he has to be very optimistic and positive. Another thing is he or she considers his subordinate as a partner or gives equal respect to them. So whatever we are people we are surrounded with, we give them respect. Is one of the another quality. Another quality is that the leader has to be very persuasive. If you can't persuade the people around you, then it's of no use. So leader should actually lead.
Yes, very true. And I have always seen you as a very calm, contented, and very balanced person. So even all these traits will help you to pursue your administrative journey ahead. Wow, good. I know that you are fond of dancing. So have you learned from somewhere or is it just your hobby?
Okay, so uh, my phase with dancing has been very interesting. Actually, I started dancing, but I used to be very shy. I used to think, what will people think of me? And I used to be very shy. I was not very free with my body, and I took class for 1 year, and still I was so conservative that I couldn't express myself. I would look around at how they are dancing, and I was not free. But in the last 2 3 years, I have become more free about myself. I learned Kathak for 1 year, and I am enjoying this process. And one thing that I learned about dancing is that dance like nobody is watching, and this is the
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, there was a time I also learned Zumba, aerobics, and Bharatnatyam as well, but I was not able to practice it every day. You know, with time, you tend to get involved in so many other things. I'm sure you're fond of traveling.
yes, I
So, which was the last place you traveled?
very hard to recall right now. we were in lockdown for more than 60 days. So last time I traveled was to Dehradun, maybe last year.
Oh, my
So it was my
hometown.
your place actually.
So this was in which year?
It was in 2019, summer
2019.
holidays of 19. Yes.
Okay, so how do you feel like what are the differences between Dehradun and Delhi?
Where do we start? It's everywhere. You get perfect sunset, sunrise moments in Delhi. Let's not talk about Delhi. Delhi is like a heat chamber in summers. The weather is so pleasant. You just like doing just so happy about everything. So I think weather is the most important difference that I see. And everything is so perfect about mountains. Everyone is drawn toward mountains.
Yes, very true. What is one skill that you have added in your skill set in last 15 days?
Sorry, I could not listen to you.
What is one thing that you have added in your skill set in last 15 days?
Skill set, I think speaking would be definitely one of the skills that I have added. I always wanted to speak, but that thing that stops you, that maybe what will people think of me, this fear has always stopped me. But I think this skill that I have learned in last 1 year because of Toastmasters, and I, after Toastmasters I started to engage more with people, and this fear has gone. So I think this is a skill. If you can communicate your people around you, it's definitely a skill when your ideas can be reached to the people, to the audience clearly. So that's a skill, I think. So I've been learning that, and I'm adding more to it.
You should keep learning because learning is like never stop yourself from exploring, isn't it? So now I have a set of rapid fire questions for you. So just speak out whatever
Yes.
is in your heart. Okay? One or two?
There is some issue with the audio.
One or two?
Sorry, I could not hear you. There's some issues with the audio, I think.
Okay, no worries. Am I
Can you
audible
manage?
now? Am I audible now? Is it fine now, Ritika? Is it audible now?
Still not audible.
Okay, I'll just write one or two. One or two. What
Two.
is better? Two. Okay. Next is family or friends. Am I audible?
Sorry, I can't understand. I just heard one and two, but what
Okay.
does it mean?
Family or friends. Family or
Friends.
friends.
Okay.
Friends. Okay. Minister or teacher.
Okay. So I have to say one by one, or just I have to select one. Just
Minister
two.
or teacher.
You are keeping them. So in family and friends, I would say family. It's hard, but I can't keep them at different places. Both are important. I have to choose one. I say family. Other you said minister and teacher, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Minister and teacher.
Hmm.
I would say teacher, definitely teacher. Do I need to explain or you have to just one word?
It's fine. Good. Thanks a lot. Now over to Shubham.
Oh,
He would like to.
Am I audible?
yes, Shubham.
Okay. So my first question would be like you were in Toastmasters and the course you are
I'm still, excuse me,
yeah.
I'm still facing some issue with the audio. I don't, is it from my side or?
It will
Like
be
I cannot hear it
only.
Type in the
continuously.
chat box as well, Shubham.
Okay. So question from my side is how Toastmasters like increase your public speaking skills and leadership skills as well.
How Toastmasters increase, pardon,
Increase your public speaking and leadership skills.
can
Type,
you please
type,
write the message?
type.
No, what's the issue?
Ritika, you can see the message, right?
Okay. So I have a question: how Toastmasters help me? So this is the question, right?
Yep.
Can you hear me?
Yep, we can
Am I
hear you.
audible?
Yes.
Okay. So question is how Toastmasters help in public speak. So Toastmaster, as we all know, is a platform where people like you come together and they perform on stage and they get learn from each other. We get to learn from each other. So that's platform which brings out the best out of us. Now, how it is like speaking? I think first thing is that everyone there, nobody feels that he's better than me or he's less than me. Everyone is there to help each other. Other thing is that some sessions of impromptu speaking, and when there are so many variations of, sometimes your speeches, you have to act like an anchor, sometimes you have uh, mm, short speeches, things like that, pushes you to speak. I think this is the best when you do not push yourself, when not push boundaries, you remain in the you remain fine, you remain confined your ideas. When you go out and speak, I think best way to just speak. And how it helped me, definitely I was very nervous when I started with master. My first speech I thought was horrible. I was so nervous. I felt like I should just step back. But then with further speeches, I gained confidence. I participated in joining things, participated in various contests, and then I felt it's a matter of just speaking. So that's how it is.
What an awesome answer it was. So I'll give back the stage to Richa ma'am.
Thanks a lot, Ritika. I hope I am audible.
Thank.
Are you able to hear me, Ritika?
I can hear you, but I cannot hear you continuously. I hear voices in parts, so
Okay,
it becomes
okay.
difficult to understand sometimes.
No worries. So, any one thing would you like to change in Toastmasters?
One thing that I would like to change in Toastmasters uh, would be a more friendly environment. I think I've seen that there are some people who are grouped together, they work together, they interact with each other, but same thing is visible throughout the group. So I feel that some of the people remain left out with the group, some very well connected, well they interact well. So until and unless we connect with each of the members of our group, we cannot grow as a group. So this is one thing I would like to change, that we all interact we are friends, not just we on Sunday talked and just forget that.
Thanks a lot, Ritika, for sparing your valuable time and